Straight Line Fitness presents health and weight loss success stories of Dutchess County. Real people, real results. Case study number 13A. In April of last year, we received a call that is becoming somewhat common for fitness companies. Vanetta P. of Pleasant Valley decided to have gastric bypass surgery because she had tried everything to lose weight and was tired of years of failure. Fortunately, Vanetta canceled her plans for surgery after speaking with us and instead lost 57 pounds in only 4 months, including the cellulite in her arms and legs. Her asthma virtually disappeared and she no longer needs a rescue inhaler. Vanetta's life-changing story is an inspirational one. So, how did she do it? Through our customized personal training and local boot camp program. So what are you waiting for? Let's start writing your success story today. Call Bob at 223-8168 for a free weight loss consultation.